moment, we got some nice weather. Real sunny out here. Not a cloud in the sky. You know what I mean? No, but for real though, there's a lot of rain. It's super cloudy. It's pretty much the opposite of what I said. But like I told her, the real point of this is the marriage, our union together. I just thank God.
La gloria de Dios en este lugar. Nosotros estamos confiados de que en medio de todo esto está la presencia del Señor y nos vamos a gozar.
I promise to forever protect you, to provide, be the man that God has called me to be for you. We're gonna have our ups and downs because that's what marriage is all about, working things out, communication, and just to know that I'm gonna do this with the person I love the most, is just amazing.
Through thick and thin. I'm gonna be the best wife that I can be. I'm gonna seek the Lord first, and then I'm gonna be able to support you in everything that comes our way. As I was driving up here and I prayed and I asked God, you know what? If this is your will for it to rain, then let it be. I don't know what you have prepared, and I don't know, maybe you have a bigger blessing. Whatever it is, I'm gonna trust in Him. My bridesmaids have told me that, oh my God, you're so calm. And I'm like, well, you know what is Jesus? I don't even know how I'm so calm, But through it all, just praise God. It doesn't matter even if Hurricane Katrina came over here, the whole point is that we're getting married.
It's God who controls everything. And just like He's gonna control take control of our marriage, of our relationship.
In your lives together,
en sus vidas juntos,
there are going to be times where it's going to cost you pride,
van a haber tiempos donde les va a costar orgullo,
hard work,
trabajo muy duro
and tears.
y lágrimas.
You might even ask yourself at one point or another, is this even worth it?
En algún momento tal vez ustedes se preguntarán, ¿será que todo esto vale la pena?
I can tell you,
Yo te puedo decir,
yes it is.
sí.
Because listen, it's in these trials
Porque escucha, es en estas pruebas
in life
de la vida
that adds flavor to the good times.
que le agregan el sabor a los tiempos buenos.
Esa sonrisa que me están dando ahora
That smile that you're giving one another now,
simboliza amistad,
it represents friendship,
armonía,
it represents joy,
paz,
peace,
amor,
love.
que esto permanezca siempre.
May this
Amen.
endure forever.
We're gonna have stormy days, we're gonna have rainy days, we're gonna have sunny days, but above it all, you know, I'm glad I'm spending them with the woman that I love. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.